Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram camera not working. To know how to fix Instagram camera not working, you should just go here to settings as you see we click. After that, in this page you should to go to apps here, and when you will see this list you should to go down to Instagram as you see, and you will click here. And after that, in this page you will go to click here for stop, and when you will click for stop you will go to storage here, and when you will enter here to this page you will go to clear cache. After that you will click clear data, so then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.